No sooner had we announced the budgets for COVID-19, had the thieves begun to assemble at the door to plan to steal.
Mboweni naye ubonakale enomsindo ngolurhwaphilizo ngolosine uza kubamba indibano engxamisekileyo nabo bonke abaphathiswa bezimali kumaphondo eli uzama usombulula lamanyala nalamanyundululu.
It is very clear to me that we have to tighten the processes. It is very clear to me that trust has been broken in some instances. And it's very clear to me that the executive authorities and the accounting officers have to take the matter forward in a decisive manner in a very short space of time. We don't have a year to do this. We have to do it immediately.
Ke amalungu eParlamente ebenyanzelisa ukuba abo babandakanyekayo babanjwe isekela likaMboweni lithi ukhondonakele obangele ukuba kubiwe imali ngolhlobo kumasebe karhulumente.
It is very clear that in this instance, or in certain instances, insofar as the way in which some of the government departments, local government, it does look like there's clearly instances in which the trust of our people has been betrayed.
Malungu eParlamente aphinde ahlabukhwelo okuba abo babandakanyekayo babanjwe ubuyiswe nemali karhulumente. Ndingumanelisi Dubase weendaba ze SABC eParlamente Kapa.